All right, this is a big painful week, big painful lessons. Look, market shakes out all the time. You should expect that. You know how market's going to play and shake out times where it gives you a sharp rally against the trend, okay? A sharp move against the trend, against the price action. Then after it traps the buyers, like it happened to me, and shake out the sellers who are selling like right here, and then shake it out, make a double top right here, a little bit higher. Sellers sell here, put a stop, trail it, to stop, trail it, boom, shake out. Even if your stop is right at this, you shaked out. Then it's continue merry way. And if you're too frozen, if you're too not vigilante and not doing rinse and repeat like a boxer, then you could have just not be in this whole move, okay? It's 120 pips move. And same thing as so market what really the most painful thing happened because my mind is set in this pattern, is a set pattern in my mind. When I see this, I just see one thing. I just see upside only. My belief system, my thought process, everything is just want to make. Oh yeah, I can make so much fast $200, $100, fast $80, whatever it is. And this all John is gonna turn into the worst nightmare scenario, worst bad scenario, the most painful injury, very painful injury to me, very painful. Seeing this on the screen early New York morning, open 7, 8 o'clock anytime in morning, and your mind is very very easy to susceptible to errors of judgment of going heavy without risk management, without trade management, without following bar by bar reading. If it's a confirmation of continuation and your stop is safe behind, and you only trading with the max 1% risk or max half percent risk at any time open position, combine maybe two position 2%. Look, it's this is the way this has got to change. How I need to break it away, break this. First, what happened here? Okay, what happened here? Okay, first of all, this is a summary of one of the keep repeating painful lesson because I keep going in automatic gambling mind, automatic need fulfill this need to be loved, to be win, to pick, get confident, get my respect and love and affection through this by making a nice 20, 10, 20 pips, making nice $100 here or $80, something like that. Whatever it is, totally opposite, totally wrong. I'm not trading by the plan. I'm not trading the price action plan. I'm not trading confirmation of continuation. I'm not trading with the risk management. I'm just looking at worst thing, looking at to make money instead of just following, just focusing on the evidence and be in and out based on the evidence. Okay, so let's look at this way. First of all, nightmare scenario, a stair step reversal. Okay, how many times I've lost a major, quite a substantial amount of painful losses happen when I'm buy, and then boom, finally I know because of 50, if it breaks around 50 at whatever, and roll reversal, I'm still buying based on, and the worst case, listen, no matter what, there was no, this is the automatic pattern that I used to trade for this on 5 minute chart, made some good money sometime because I'm in the right direction of trend, but then I lost money because I didn't look at the tech levels, support resistance, sell zone levels on the bigger time frame. Even if I buy sell zone level bigger time frames showing neither information about, this is like, let's say this, wherever it stopped here, and apparently this was the where lots of big sellers, less smart money selling and dumb money is buying. It's a bull trap for buyers. Shake out all the sellers who are selling here anywhere before who were sell, you know wherever they sold it here. Okay, they're being shook out. They're selling right here, selling anywhere. Even if I sold it here and my stop at break even, taking out the break, and then you put the stop at break even, your stop's taken out. You sold it, let's say I sold it right here. Perfect outside ranger in the context of trend, making lower high, lower lows, and at the lower high, perfect confirmation. Everything's perfect, role reversal. So perfect area to sell zone and confirmation. And I moved the break in. This is where it happened. But regardless, I wasn't doing that. And if it did, it's too bad. I gotta remember to leave my stop right here. Okay. So if it's like some worst case scenario reversal, unknown reason, at least I know, my stop was there with 0.5% risk, and I'm okay with that because next time I'll make my 3R. Sticking into trades like this will not shake me out. I don't even want to look at this in the morning. Just look at the end of the 4-hour chart all the time. Oh, it came close to my stop, didn't take me out. Boom, I'm in profit. That's it. If I sold right here, I moved stop to break even. Oh, it came, took out, maybe it took out my stop. If I was not, if I sold, if I to put a stop right here. This is what's happened. Your stop has to stay where it is. Don't worry about getting stopped out. Either you're gonna get your 3+ Rs a lot of time. So what if you lose 0.5% and but half of the time, half of the trades making you 1.5%, 2%, 1 to 1.5%. So what? So let's just keep doing. Let's just stick to that. But the biggest problem is the mental, this automatic brain getting into waking up and doing this. What I used to do 5 years ago is like, just that set that blackjack trading. Oh wow, I have a that guy's method, that I 5 minute intraday trading method. That come on, that's this scalping of this whole thing with this, Yolanda strategy, all this. Here I'm just like a fixed belief. My fixated is will go make a new high, or at least a double top. And that mind fixed mindset, that thought process of fixed thing, has so many times, including this, was the biggest lesson, biggest gift. Do not do this. If you must take this, like this candle, your stop gotta be here. Do not expect this to go bluff about going up, good up. Do not do this. Okay, leave the stop where it's supposed to be. I mean, let them take out the stop. Then if let's say if you got in because of 50 bounce, you gotta have a little bit better V than this. Okay, and even here. So this one is a, let's say, is a or normal trading loss within the system. Within the system, I'm okay with that. Loss within the system, I'm okay with that. Okay. What other things I can tell you is when you get a role reversal, you could wait and take this role reversal, make some money. Excuse me. Okay, let's look at a big picture of this pair. For our chart, you have a resistance, tech resistance zones there, pivots and role reversal of previous highs. We'll look at it later. But then it came out, did a breakout here. All right. Beautiful role reversal. Beautiful. This was a sell zone. Then it worked. Lower high. Now it's pretty much good to go down. Certified, pretty confirmed trend. But then it had to do something to get money out of the sellers and trap the buyers and entice the buyers. So if it goes back up, take out the stop of these sellers and get buyers in big time. A lot of buyers look at it as like, all right, it's just a continuation. Get it, all right? And then this signal right here is ignored. Signal right here, role reversal. Come on, you have a swing. outside range and role reversal. Just this will make all any other overcome all the small losses, all the other it's not small or even big losses. 100 pips, one with the 40 pip stop. Yeah, you could say again, stop, this stop, but this stop could be tight here. This is not something, I mean, here, you can avoid this stop if you sell here. You leave this stop, you take it. But you got to be getting in this area. Okay, you can wait for fractal right around here. You have to wait for a breakout, fine, but here you gotta have be around interest role reversal. Okay, or you were taking a blackjack. Mm, right, you're getting in here, getting in here. If you miss this in London, fine, stay away, stay away. Don't worry about it. You could take shot right here. Okay, right this zone, maybe this, maybe this you sell and you take out, get out here. Fine. You don't worry about, even if your stop is there, get out, fine. Then what happened? Hmm. All the way up. This breakout you get it in. Oh wait, there was so many good trades last week. So many good trades. So many good trades last week. Okay, we got in where it's supposed to. We didn't get in, and then we didn't stay in. Beautiful. Okay, look. So many good role reversal trades. Role reversal. Let's get this out. Okay. All right. Let's wrap this up. Market shakeout before it start a good trend. Shakeout after it start a good trend. Look at this 30-minute chart. Too many shakes out. Just shake out. Okay. Shake out like right here. Boom. Shake out right here. Boom. Okay. So watch for those. Don't go into like impulsive moves, see, and just start buying. Don't look for like impulsive moves like this and just start buying. When the big picture, this is where smart money has the sell orders placed, and they don't give you a double top, they don't give you a new high, they don't give you anything. They just go down, they just go and keep creating a lower high, lower lows. That's how they cause the pain of people who bought it a big time. Okay, don't go on this automatic, get out of, break this auto pattern, whatever the hijacked by some need to make few quick pips, to make quick $100. Get out of this. Don't even focus on money, focus on where stop's supposed to be, where the price action failure point. Okay, leave the trade alone. A good setup like a good role reversal, a good leg in a context of a trend should give you 3 4 hour. If you, okay, you take some stops, half the time you get stop, half the time you're making 2 hour, that's 2 plus hour, that's very good. Be smarter than that. Don't play dumb. Don't be a fool. It, be smarter, be vigilante, think harder, think through. 4 hour chart, you have plenty of time, and 1 hour chart to think all these things. You have this 15-minute chart, you have this 30-minute chart, you can see these things. In 4 hour, you have plenty of time to think it through. You sell here, you stopped out here, okay, fine. You took a stop, fine, it's fine. Then you sell again here, okay, and then you don't get out. You made your 4 2 3 hour, okay. This is what, 60 pips to make 160. You're making your 3 hours right the next trade. This trade, you lose, fine. Okay, you stop. I'm not gonna put it there. Let's say I put a stop at this. I lose this 70 pips here. Then I get in and I put a stop again. Same way, same setup, same exact setup, same exact methodology. You have you have major areas of exhaustion and ex- extreme run exhaustion. There's a previous area of this pivots is a role reversal in the weekly and daily, and then it made a good beautiful reversal pattern breakout down all the way. Could have been, we would have been could easily find trades here. Then it go consolidation again, flag, reverse flag, breakout, beautiful. Now you have a permission to sell at any blackjack or role reversal. So you see this blackjack, you see this role reversal. All right, you're selling it here, you're selling it based on this thing. Okay, you have this line right here. Okay, you have these sell zones based on this pattern breakout lines. Okay, you sell this right here. If you missed it because of London, you, let's say you even waited for all this, the whole fractal according to safer method, and let's say your stop is even here, which actually stop should be just here. If you get stopped out, that's fine. If you get another lower high, you sell again. Another sell signal, you sell it again. The outside rangers sell again. So you stopped out here. You lost 70. You lost half percent, whatever it was. Lost half percent here. You took another half percent risk here, and you made your 1.5%. So you're up 1% for the week, or for the whatever. Yeah, and this pair, on this setup. That's it. In between, you have this beautiful bow and arrow. Could do it, you know, 30, 40 pip stop. You could do it. Another 3 hour. Okay. You have plenty of setup every week. Don't lose heart. Don't lose hope. Yeah, I know summer's coming, but if you don't get any good role reversals, don't do it. Just, just focus on role reversals. All right. No, this is a role reversal right here. Another role reversal. Um, mm, okay, here, another role reversal for a day trade morning where bull trap shoots up on 5 minute chart. Looks very good for to go, just keep going for blackjack continuation. Looks very good context for continuation, right? This is there where the your blind spot is. This is where the pain happens because you have a blind spot. You're one-sided, one-minded, fixed-minded thinking, not looking all angles. You gotta look at all angles. Okay, don't be upset at yourself. Never have a negative thought. Okay, I tried. I fell. Okay, I made a. I fell into the trap of that fixed pattern. Of trap of chasing, of going with the impulse move, of not remembering that market will do sharp pullbacks. Looks like a reversal look-alike pullbacks. Sharp, everything perfectly lined up here. That sideways, boom, up. Everything's perfectly lined up to go, trap. This is a perfect deception. Okay, perfect deception. You're waiting here, you see a perfect deception because it's created such a perfect scenario for an upper reversal, for a breakout and continuation scenario. This is a breakout continuation. That's your valid methodology. All the good trades start from a breakout and continuation. All the big trends start from a breakout and continuation. But on 5 minute chart, give me a break. Okay, let's say even you convinced gonna happen. Okay, let's say it even is the next time it's possible it's gonna happen. How we are supposed to trade that? Wait for a confirmation, place a stop behind the evidence, place this is evidence, bullish pressure evidence, a little bit. Okay, I agree. I can say, okay, this is evidence of bullish pressure. So I'm not rushing to buy here, buy here, buy here, and I'm already like front running. Front running assumptive trading is a killer. You know that one way or the other is going to kill you. One of the it's already has too many times. Let's not fall into the same trap again and again. Up, okay, price shoots up. Yes, there's a plenty of reason to say, okay, it's a double top. You could be selling it because the role reverse. Oh yeah, yeah. There's always like, yes, that would be the first thing. That would be the smartest thing, smartest play anyway. If you're looking at your 4 hour chart, okay, and then you're looking at your 1 hour chart, and then you say, all right, I have a role reversal here on 4 hour. Okay, if I had drew this lines right here, okay, you know what? The problem is your mind kept fixated that it should come to this. Your mind was fixated that it should not just stop here. Okay, it should not just stop here. It should come to at least find buyer. Buyer's gonna push it just a little bit. Seller's gonna come in here. But this is assumption. This is only and only assumption, because when price is going there sharp, and you did look at 4 hour chart. Okay, you did look at a 1 hour chart, and all your assumptions said is, oh, all right, I have more resistance level here since it made a really sharp break in a fake in reverse on 5 minute on a 5 minute chart. It should at least, it doesn't have to stop here. You know, it shouldn't stop at the first line of resistance. It should at least take the take these out. All right, it should at least take these out. So you're looking at your 5 minute, you're fixed in your mind. You had this is the problem. You weren't flexible. You weren't thinking both sides. You were thinking of you weren't afraid of it. You just went cowboy at it, crazy cowboy. Just went gambler at it. Just front run like a gambler at it. Okay. Here you bought a lot, and you didn't care. You just your whole mindset was it's gonna turn around at some point and go back to previous time. And when that doesn't happen, you're risking how much? A big, unlimited 2+%. You can't do that. Instead of so many good opportunity to make money in other peers like GJ, best setup, and GJ GU, you're fighting this pair. We are not going to get trapped like this or be fooled like this again. E- Even if we say, okay, this is looks like it's gonna almost like continuing. I don't want us to have stops behind that, because if it does fall, it could just keep going, and if it does stop here, don't preassumptively front running again at 30. Don't do that. That 20. Let's not follow that methodology. It's like really sucks. It's really not making money. It's really losing me big time. It's really causing me a lot of pain to preassumptively, after seeing this beautiful fake reverse breakout. That's why I say, either if you're not in early, don't chase, and don't look for continuation blindly, assumptively front running. If you're not in this early breakout here with the stop here, 10 pips stop to make you 20, 25 pips. If you're not in it, to go to the next RR. If you're not in here early, don't chase here. Don't chase here. Don't chase here. Sellers came in, they pushed it, buyers got trapped, weak hands, weak sellers around, smart money, big smart sellers, big sellers came in, smart money came in, heavier guys came in, and they started to bring the stair step down. So let's say it was a possibility that, first of all, this getting into this trading, this 5 minute continuation, has been costing you so much money, financial pain, mental pain, and financial pain. So stop trading those 5 minute continuation blackjack, those strategy that you fixed on your hand. Too simplistic. Too simplistic. Okay, too like one-sided. Don't be those single dimensional trader. Don't be this asking easy money. So just my oldest worst, the best word pattern that end up making downward spiral is this: I'm buying here, buying here, buying here, then definitely I'm buying heavily around touch of around 21, near 21, just because I feel it's gonna just shoot shot to the moon, best to touch 20. Occasionally it happens, but when it doesn't, I lose a lot. So heavy trading, heavy adding a lot of units here, here, here. Fixed in my mind, it must go up. And market played this game. It shoots up to trap impulsive buying a seller, impulsive buying, and scare the sellers out. A 4 hour swing seller, 4 hour chart seller. That's why I got out of my GJ because I was so worried about reversal. Okay, that's another thing to think about. Why I'm getting out of something, just a sharp pullback scares me out of my nice long term idea, medium term idea. Come on. All right. Look, but buying here, presumptively, no risk management, no half% stop. What's going on here? I'm totally hijacked. I get totally hijacked. I get totally go into this automatic reptilian caveman brain, this auto brain. I have no control over this. Let's face it, I have no control over these 5 minute continuation setups or any continuation setups. And like I'm get totally committed, fixated, gamble, one sided. This is not the way to live and trade. Okay. Losing, being in a loss of power, emotionally hijacked, acting, making decisions, choosing out of just sentimental emotional mindset, auto brain, break that connection to that. You must break that connection, break that. By here, you stop is behind this candle. That's it. Okay. And you cannot take more than, 0.5% risk. So $50 risk, you bought it here based on some form of little sign of continuation. All right. This is 16, 17, 18 pip stop. Okay. What is it? One mini, two mini. That's it. Too many. Leave it alone. You're expecting to make, eh, 12, 15. No, I'm expecting to make actually a little higher. I'm expecting to make, yeah, 1 to 1. This is 1 to 1. Okay. So I'm going for 1 to 1 because I look at solid guarantee. All right. Worst case scenario. Okay. I'm not worst case. Good case scenario. Medium case scenario. I take my $50 loss. Just don't even think about it. Dollar about 0.5% loss. I get it. Look at what else is there, and don't be revenge trading. Don't jump. Don't trade emotionally. Revengefulness. Don't trade with negative emotions of revenge and need and desperation. Oh, it's a 0.5% loss day. Beautiful. Get out. Also remember what really happened here. What I really should be looking is my 4 hours and 1 hour. I should be looking this. Okay, so first side, you don't buy at resistance. Don't buy continuation at resistance. Don't look for continuation at resistance or support. That's it. When price hits support resistance, don't look to trade continuation. So many times I've taken a bet. There's so many better ways to make money. You have so many better trades here. You have so many better trade right here, right here. Right here, right here. So many role reversal trade. One, two, three. You have three in this week that would have made you very good amount of money. You had this here all this time that you made good money here. Okay, right here. Okay, you made money here. Okay, you're making money. Why is it that you need to go and trade this? All right, that's it. No more of that 5 minute continuation. If you just see a very, very perfect setup like this, you put a stop here. Let's see what happens. No, I mean, like, I don't know. Like, for the downside, it was good. Look, with the downside, it was good. Mm, mm. Take these blackjacks, but don't trade the 5 minute blackjack. Just do your 4 hour swing stretch setups, roll reversal setups on 4 hour and 1 hour. This looks like not a setup for retreat because I'm always looking for a very clean sideway breakout. But you know what? It's Friday. What's the worst case scenario can happen? Where's your stop? Can be like right here, 26 pips. Yeah, you don't want to worry about it. You may or may not want to sell here. You may want to sell here based on this bid. Per stop, forget it. Maybe a good RR of 10 pips to make, you know, 60. This is where you get it. When you have a sharp pullback against the trend, okay, against the trend, sharp pullback like this, sharp pullback like this against the trend. But everybody sees this as a nice reversal breakout to the upside. It's only going to do a just a V reversal. Those V reversals where you can make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. Why not just make a lot of money? Why not look to just sell here based on some form of double top? You have a double top, okay? So it's consolidation breakout right here. You have a 15 pip stop. Set, leave it for set and forget. Walk away for the whole day. Trust the 4 hour setup. Okay, trust the 4 hour trend, not setup. 4 hour trend. It's just an example. You had so many more better trades there. You have such a good trade at GU. You have such a good trade at same thing here. A sharp pullback scares you out. This scares you out. I mean, I didn't have those lines. But this pullbacks like these, you probably think it'll just keep going up. No. All right, that's it. I'll wrap up the video. Look at this 4 hour setups. Remember, remember, this is all happening every few days. This was I spotted this saucepan. I got in right here. I had a most I had this stop of like whatever stop, like most whatever I put, got in right here. I mean, I don't know, like I could have just got out right there, fine. Then I had a roll reversal, could have made money. This was definitely a reason. There's something there to go. Yeah, there was this zone, get out. Okay, like look for PRZ, possible reversal zone. There were pivots there for sure. GU for GU, GJ. You had a double top on daily, double pin. You had double pin on 4 hour at the amazingly bow and arrow at the tech resistance at the roll reversal line. R line. You had a consolidation breakout. You had plenty of reasons to sell here, 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 here. You have plenty of reason to sell here. You did. I think this one you did. Because in Asian gave you a chance here. Oh, I don't know. Did it? Did it? Okay. Yeah, there was plenty of reason to take these trades. Maybe this Asian I did that. Yeah. So anyway, the point is there's plenty of reason that goes like this, and then the challenging part was to try to shake out the sellers on 4 hour chart by this candle right here. This was my beautiful, great observation. You were so proud of myself when Mr. Ryan, the genius, wonder boy of Wayne, was telling everybody not to do anything, not to sell here, not to buy it, and my observation was just amazing right after after setup, I sold right here. Next morning, I was up 100, 200 pips. I had a nice run, good money. Yeah, here I didn't do anything, but let's say I sold right here and I took stop, fine, 0.5% loss. Okay, then I sold again. If I had followed my methodology and sold the role reversal based on a confirmed uh, fractal swing, you and I put 100 pip to make 300 pip, I had 3R. So if I lost 0.5%, made 1.5%, up 1% for the week so far. Hardest part is where to take profit. I don't know, where is this GJ going? Let's just see. Let me put in the weekly monthly pivot. Let's see, where is this thing going? Well, it's definitely coming to monthly M2. Well, it's already reached monthly, weekly M1. Yeah, I don't know how far it could go. Forward, week M1. Oh, I don't know. I mean, the only thing I can say I hope for is if I get role reversals like that, another role reversal would be good. But look, just trade, focus on role reversals. Okay, make a lot of money. Focus on role reversals. I don't know where GJ is gonna go. I'm not even worried about it right now. Okay, honestly, right now, I'm just gonna wait and find, you know, one of the. I came to weekly M1, M3 to M1 run. Yeah, yeah. We already did that, right? The only thing I can hope for, I go to R1 to S1. Like it pulls back, break out, go here. Maybe another. All right, finish this video. All right, that's it. The only thing I want to sum it up here is very simple. Stop doing that. Stop trading those 5 minute. Stop trading those 5 minute continuations. Like especially against the trend. First of all, the rule is it's not just do one thing or the other. The 5 minute continuation works, but not against the trend. When the trend is down, you don't want to take these. Okay, you want to go with the trend. Okay, you can take the 5 minute continuation with the trend. You can take the 5 minute with the trend. You can take the this one works against the trend, but that was like whatever. Just go with the trend. Here, look at this. Look at this. Impulse down, boom, 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 boom. Okay, and there was uptrend. Just go with the bigger time frame. That's it. And manage risk. You can take some losses, manage risk. That's it. All right, we know what to do. No, this is all emotional game. Trading for need. I'm gonna come up with more better perspective, better vigilant. I'm gonna find a way. I'm gonna find a way.